This is Bellwether, an agentic go-to-market platform. Describe a buying signal in plain English. Wake up to the companies that just showed it. Every Kim footnoted to the page and the minute it came from. GTM teams buy the same intent data and act a week late. The real signals are already public. A new enterprise tier, a SOC2 badge, the first RevOps job, scrapers that watch them fail silently. One sentence does three jobs. Signal Studio shows it to the user. The same words provision the collector, and those same words heal it when the page changes. Nothing paraphrases that sentence in transit. The stack is TypeScript, Next.js 15, React 19, Zode, and Node.SQL lit. 6 adapters, 1 interface. Bright data for JavaScript pages. Direct HTTP for job boards and RSS. Compliance is code. Denialist. Robots pre-flight, no personal data. Config loads into signal specs. Adapters write observations. Diffs fire events. Events become a morning brief, then a campaign, but only if the collector is healthy. A broken source cannot approve a send. Advise, here is the live product. Friday, 21st of August. 4 accounts moved overnight. Hightech published a SOC2 Type 2 badge. Zuluri added an enterprise tier. Superbase and Clerk are locked because a cited collector is unhealthy. The dashboard is not estimates. 129 sources verified live, 20 accounts, 12 templates. One of 7 collectors is healthy. The rest are quarantined on purpose. Self-healing is a product requirement. Drift is empty fields on a 200 OK. Heal, preview, verify against the contract, then approve or reject and quarantine. We never use auto-approve. Running it taught us things reasoning missed. JavaScript has no inline case insensitive regex flag, so every such signal silently never fired. A connector is bound to the page it was seeded from. The unit of provisioning is now signal times account. A broken scraper that still returns rows is worse than silence. Bellwether refuses to be confidently wrong.